In today's video, I will teach you how to store personal information, phone number, employee ID, or any other information to RFID tag or RFID card. In this RFID card, no information is stored. In this RFID card, personal information is stored. I will show you how to store this type of personal information to your RFID card. Please watch full video to make this project. Copy the link and paste in preference area to install the board. Copy the text and paste in Library Manager. Install the same version of the library. Copy the text and paste in Library Manager. Install the same version of the library. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board.